Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Had a question that I believe I'm answering now. So question was how to shut off a maintenance reminder. So I'm going to show you a couple things on that and how to set and shut off maintenance reminders in your 14 through 19 Highlander. So this is actually a really cool system. It's actually on some of the other cars too, but I'm going to show you how to do this, and I hope you enjoy this because this is actually a pretty cool thing. So I know the old RAV4s had it, stuff like that. So pay attention, let's have some fun, and I'm going to show you something here. So first off, what we're going to do is this is obviously your screen. Of course, we're going to hit the apps button, and I'm going to hit don't tell me again just because I want to, right? And you're going to see this screen, right? This little arrow down here, hit to the right, and you're going to see this maintenance. All right, so what we're going to hit with maintenance is you can come in here and you have this reminder. You can turn that on or turn that off, of course. And let's say engine oil. So when do you want to do your engine oil? Well, your engine oil is usually at 10,000 miles. So if you set this now in 10,000 miles from now, it's going to come on, and it is going to tell you that it is time to change your engine oil. You can do your oil filter. Well, guess what? If you change your engine oil at 10, so is your oil filter. But maybe you want to change your engine oil filter at 5, so be it, right? Tire rotations, right? Every 5,000 miles is when they suggest your tire rotation. So you come in here and you're going to get reminders on these. Your tires. Well, how long do your tires last? Well, if you have a 40,000 mile tire, 60,000 mile tire, whatever, you put your miles in there, right? But wipers should be every 6 months. Well, the date I'm doing this, it's August, so we'll do September, October, November, December, January. So we'll do February here. So we'll do 02, and let's just say 2020. Oops, hit the wrong button. 02, 2022, right? Boom. Now it'll tell you to replace your wipers, right? So you can set it off of time, you can set it off of miles, you can even go here and you can say, all right, well, wife's birthday, Oops. You can type that in, right? You can say wife birthday, and you can come back in here and say, it's 0101, and you can do 22, right? And then boom, it's going to say wife's birthday. That's in there. Okay, well, let's say, crap, I did the wrong, here. So you want to get rid of it, right? Okay, so, or you can hit delete. You want to delete that? Yes, delete that. Boom, come in here. You want to delete that time? Boom, delete that. You can delete all of these reminders. You can add them. You can do however you want to do it, right? You can shut off the reminder and just leave it in there. You can leave the reminder, and it's going to pop up whenever you set it to pop up, right? Dealer info, it'll show you your dealer. So it should show you who's in there. You can delete it. You can change the dealer. You can, if you bought it from somebody, you're going somewhere else, you can do all that stuff, right? So personal, all this stuff, those are your reminders. This is how everything is done in this system. It is actually really, really easy to set reminders. You can get reminders for maintenance. You can do your personals. You can do, anything that you want to do to set a reminder for yourself in this system. Is a really, really cool system. That is a really fast look at it. Once again, I'm going to hit you home. Here's your apps, right? Go over to your maintenance. Boom, you're right in there. All right. So, and if you have the dealership information and a phone, you can hit call dealer, and as long as your phone's hooked up, you can do that. So hopefully I've helped you guys out. That is how to set and not set reminders. So set and deset reminders in your system. This is in the Entune system with Toyota. So like I said, several vehicles have this system on it. I'm personally in a Highlander right now, but check this out. If your system looks like this, you probably have that system in there. So take a look, see what you think, set your reminders, have some fun. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Definitely like, subscribe, appreciate every one of you guys for doing that. If you're looking to buy a car, definitely come down here, ask for me, make sure you ask for me. And I'd love to help you buy a car. Always helping people on YouTube is always great. And then you can also call the dealership here if you want to. You can always get a hold of me that way. Or buy a Toyota Nashville at yahoo.com. Buy a Toyota Nashville at yahoo.com. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. You guys have a great day. We will talk to you soon.